Restoration Celebration is an amazing time for Coquille people. It's a time for us to come together and be Coquille people, be back on this land, and to make a time that people come home. And that's really important to our community, our elders, to make sure that our young people know each other and they know where they come from, and to be back on this land, that's what's important.
My first introduction to the Restoration Celebration was the first one after Restoration in 1989. What it means to me is when I have the opportunity to participate in the Restoration Celebration, I'm going clear back 29 years now of us doing this thing. All the people that I've met, the new experiences that I've had, the joy it is to be able for us to do what we do, but also be able to do it in our ancestors' footsteps, doing the salmon ceremony on the Coquille River, to be able to think about that as kind of the epicenter of our little world and our universe. And no matter where we live on the planet, when we're at salmon ceremony especially, and here at the dance as well, we are all together. Whether we're here in person and present, we're here together. And I like that. I like that a lot.